Up and down the alley we marched, weary and wilting, scorched and bruised for a petty cause, as our plight was slowly darkening. Abducted were we from our mother's lap, sold and used for money. They said we were gods, often to us bowing, yet their mantras and mechanics were not in harmony. The most possessive of our kind were caught with the help of conditioned betrayers, when all we did was hog and slumber. Why, oh why, should our future get dimmer? A simpletons of nature with no sense of the bigger picture. Why strive we day in and out to turn our existence into torture? Bull hooks and canes, ornaments, powders and chains, are these puny baggage even sane? Chastising us till we stand on twos, and paint keeping us as symbols of your supremacy. Tell people we are dancing when it's actually borderline lunacy. Multiplying like roaches under a rock, ye grow and usurp our home. And when we try to eat our food, kill us and call us rogues. Sons of Adam, ask yourselves, who is more human and who is the beast? Who is more human and who is the beast?